What's going on, guys? Stevie from the Minimasters here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the coil spring in my truck with a nice brand new one. And instead, you get to watch me do the work in a time-lapse video. So, let's time-lapse. So there you have it, guys, the first video I've ever produced showing me actually doing the work, and I hope none of you are too disappointed, and I apologize for anything that might appear sloppy, but this is usually the run-of-the-mill of how I go about some of my projects. I kind of lay out some of the tools I need and then go about doing it. And just in case you're curious, really this only took me about 20 minutes, and that included shuffling the camera around, as you can see, so that you guys can see, exactly all the different steps. That's it. So 20 minutes for one side. If you did both sides at the same time, you'd probably knock this project out in about 30 minutes, which is pretty cool considering you'll go pay a shop a couple $100s for this. So I hope you enjoy the style of video. Let me know down in the comments how you like it. I will always continue to do the other type of video where I actually fully explain each step and everything to go with it. And I'll only make videos like this for projects that I've already done. So there's already a video of me actually showing you how to change a coil spring. So of course, this would be the perfect candidate for this style of video, but let me know. So anyway, guys, hit the subscribe icon over here. Check out some of my other videos. I'm Stevie from the Minimasters. Thanks for watching.